Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unmute location of anyone on Snapchat. If you've muted someone's location in just a few steps, open Snapchat and head to the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the conversation of the friend whose location you've previously muted. Once the chat opens, tap on the conversation of the friend whose location you've previously muted. Once the chat opens, tap on their profile to view their account page. Now look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open it. Inside this menu, you'll find location settings. When you enter that section, you'll see a toggle for mute location. If the toggle is turned on, it means their location updates are currently hidden from you. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off, and the setting will switch back to normal. After that, their location updates will appear again whenever they share their position on Snap Map. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.